Good morning, guys. We're actually just about ready to get out of this hotel room, but it is amazing. I told you I was going to do a little walk around of it just because I am stunned with it. Once again, it's Pop Century. We're actually in the 90s building, first floor, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I'm just stunned with this room. It's a value resort. I know Disney just implemented the whole parking overnight fee and all this stuff, but I'm impressed. I'm genuinely impressed. Let me turn this thing around and show you the room from the front door. All right, so you walk in and it is completely different. I mean, I've never stayed in a Disney room that's this layout. Nice little mini fridge. Coffee maker, coffee stuff, some of it's missing, obviously we've used it, and then instead of having two beds you have like a little table. But the cool thing about this little table is move that around, grab and pull down, and it's a whole nother bed. I mean, this is a great layout, especially like if you have kids and stuff. It really is nice, not too hard to pull. Just grab and push it back up. I mean, it really is a nice little area. It makes the room look a lot bigger. Another thing I've noticed that's very impressive, most if not all the outlets have little USBs for all the devices, so just in case you forget your plug-in, you have it. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with USBs. So let's say you have 4 people staying in the room and everybody has a phone and 2 iPads and such. I think you have more than enough because there's actually 2 USBs for each one. Even the doors are different. It's like a barn style door. You can see the track up there. And then, don't mind Julie, she's just getting pretty. Hi, baby. And then the shower also has another nice, cool barn style door. This one's got like a double door, which is kind of cool. And then what's most impressive about this, it's a shower with panels. It's the first Disney room I've ever been in. I've never stayed at a deluxe, so don't push me on that one. But it's the first Disney room that I have that has a shower and a double head shower. I'm just in awe by this. I mean, you don't get the free take-home soaps anymore, but still good quality soap from Disney. And then of course you get your extra toiletries and stuff. But again, I am just genuinely impressed. And then check out the size of this monster of a TV. It's just huge. You can barely watch it at night when you're sleepy coming home from the parks. But anyways, guys, that's the quick tour of the actual room. Just genuinely impressed with it. We're actually getting ready to check out, so this is a really quick video. Again, if you like what you see, comment, like, subscribe. That way you guys can see more of the stuff that I post up. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the future.